Before we buy products, we usually check to see what it takes to maintain it, especially when it comes to one of the biggest investments we have. Stay tuned to hear how to maintain an egress window. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. There is only one significant problem with a basement egress window, and that is water intrusion. This problem can be avoided. So in this video, I'll explain what can go wrong, what to look for, and when to call a pro. But before we get started, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When it comes to water coming in through your egress, there's a few things that can cause this and that goes wrong with that window. The first is just the seal around the window. Like on your main level, that needs to be maintained and make sure that that seal is always good. The second is a plug drain at the bottom of your egress window well. There's two things that you should look for each of these problems. Number one, when it comes to the seal around your window, look to be sure that there's no gaps or that caulk is not beginning to crack. If it's doing either one of those things, then it's probably time for a new seal. The second thing to look for if your drain is clogged is when it's raining hard, is that well starting to have water standing in it? A lot of people will do the DIY caulking around the window themselves, and that can be done well and easy at a low expense for you as the homeowner. The bigger concern is if that drain's clogged. So if that drain is clogged, that usually goes down into the ground another 4 to 6 foot. So when you have to dig in such a small space, that may be when you want to call a pro. The other time is when maybe that well is starting to pull off the side of your house, there's some settlement. These can be a little bit more intrusive solutions that you want to make sure is done properly. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your egress window? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.